Oh, hi. How you doing? You got me on the behind the scenes shot here. I'm actually getting ready to do a one last performance for this little pig here. Uh, this is what it looks like. I usually wear the same type of outfit, and you don't get to see that part because I'm sitting behind the table. But I'm here in the dining area. I've taken over the dining area for a little bit of time, and so I can go through a large volume at the same time. And we have our fun, and then I put it all away because if I don't, I get in trouble with my wife. So, anyways, this little guy here is having his last performance. We do these videos one last time so that we can save the performance for posterity, and then I rip the guts out of it and turn it into a puppet. This little guy's got a neat little mouth and little arms and this and that, and I think it's going to be a perfect one for my Mr. Pork Pie persona. But anyways, that's what we do here, and we've got everything all set up, the lighting, the camera, the sound, everything's ready to go when we do our little show. And then when I'm done with this, I clear the table, and then I sit over there and do the dismantle. So, thanks for joining us here today. If you've been with us before, thank you for coming back. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, and we'll get all those updates to you. And again, this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.